Singapore, Singaporeans have no reason to worry about any tsunamis crashing into our shores, say experts. The shallow waters and the land masses around Singapore make it practically impossible for the island to be hurt by killer waves. In an interview with the Straits Times in 2010, Dr. Pavel Tkalich, head of Physical Oceanography Research Laboratory at the National University of Singapore, NUS, said that there was no life-threatening risk of a tsunami in Singapore. In theory, the largest tsunami that could appear in Singapore would reach a height of half a meter. Dr. Pavel said, if this ever happens, most people would not even notice. The only time that Singapore would ever be hit badly by a tsunami is if a massive submarine landslide struck along the Malacca Strait creating a tsunami. The chances of that happening is probably as much as that of a meteorite hurtling into nearby waters to create a tsunami as well. Singapore is located in the middle of the Sunda Shelf, which is a shallow body of water of about 100 meters to 200 meters deep. The closest fault lines, one of the sources for tsunamis, are located along the Sunda Arc in the Andaman Sea, 600 kilometers from Singapore, and the Manila Trench off western Philippines, 1,000 kilometers from Singapore. Singaporeans can rest assured that they will not even be affected by tsunamis that have originated from strong seismic centers around the region. Assistant Professor Kanoa Jaja Megawati, principal investigator at Nanyang Technological University's Earth Observatory of Singapore, explained that the worst-case scenario for Singapore was if an earthquake of magnitude 9 struck along the Manila Trench. However, after 12 hours, the time it would take for the tsunami to reach Singapore, it would only be about 0.6 meters high. Something that most Singaporeans would not even take note of. Mr. Fung Chi Leong, Director General of Meteorological Services at the National Environment Agency, NEA, however warned that Singapore's beaches could still be affected if there ever was tsunami, hence the tsunami response plan was implemented in 2008. The plan includes evacuation procedures for the public to leave the beaches safely and also for Singapore to participate in international tsunami exercises. In 2009, Singapore joined 17 other countries around the Indian Ocean rim to test its tsunami warning system for the first time.